Hi. So if I haven't met you yet, nice to meet you. My name is Tracy and I am the founder of a little business called HerbanWild. We grow herbs and we make little tea blends and herbal seasonings and all sorts of interesting things. We generally sell our uh, products in the local area, farmers markets and whatnot. But just decided that I would make a video today. I'm not often making videos because I'm a little shy, but here I am. So, and what motivated me to make a video is that I wanted to talk a little bit about the name HerbanWild. Oftentimes, folks comment on the name. They say, "Oh, that's an interesting name, HerbanWild." It's kind of a play on words. Instead of urban, it's the word urban, like herbs. And I agree. I like it. It's kind of fun, but really, there's kind of a deep philosophy behind the name, and I would like to share that with you. So today I'm sitting kind of in my backyard, which I would consider to be part of the urban wild, which is a larger thing, and my personal urban wild. So the urban wild, in my mind, and the philosophy is the urban wild is like a network of green growing spaces across the planet and the world, if you will, that are mindfully, lovingly cultivated by us humans. And they can take many forms. They can be a small farm, they can be a little backyard like this, they can be a lovely windowsill of herbs, or a, um, a, a patio filled with plants. It doesn't really matter. The intention is what matters, and it's those spaces that we as humans connect to. We go to these places. It's the places that we find solace. They're like places of sanctuary, and often we go there to maybe meditate and reflect and center ourselves and connect with each other and ourselves and the planet, Mother Earth. And they're so important because this world is just so crazy and hectic. So I started this business because I just love growing things and I wanted to share that with other people, but also I have this intention to also want to encourage this sort of movement and encourage and support this movement of a network of urban wilds across the planet, because I think we really need that. We need places of sanctuary. So, where is your urban wild? I would like you to ask yourself that. It's important to go a little wild. Find your wild and cultivate it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.